Syncing Salesforce with Google Calendar is a game changer for managing your appointments and tasks. If you're wondering how to do it and why it's so important, you're in the right place. Stick with me as I walk you through this quick and easy process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to streamline your workflow with Salesforce and Google Calendar integration. Before we dive in, you can actually try Salesforce for free with our exclusive bonuses. Just check the link in the description below. Let's start with the basics. Salesforce is an all-in-one CRM solution, but syncing it with Google Calendar can make it even more powerful. This integration allows you to see your events and meetings directly within Salesforce and ensure everything's in sync. Imagine how much time you'll save, not having to manually update both platforms every time you schedule a meeting. Next, let's talk about the first step, connecting Salesforce with Google Calendar. The simplest way to do this is by using the Salesforce Lightning experience. You'll need to make sure you're using a version of Salesforce that supports calendar integration. Once you're in Salesforce, go to the settings and search for Google Calendar Sync. Next thing, you'll be asked to authenticate your Google account. Just sign into your Google account, give Salesforce permission to access your calendar, and you're all set. This is where things get interesting because now your calendar events will be pulled into Salesforce automatically. You won't have to copy-paste your calendar details anymore. Now, let's move to the next thing, setting up your calendar view in Salesforce. Once you've synced your Google Calendar, you can decide how you want to view your events in Salesforce. You can see them in a daily, weekly, or monthly format, whichever works best for you. This way, your appointments and Salesforce tasks are all in one place, and you can manage them seamlessly. The fourth thing to keep in mind is using Google Calendar's reminders alongside Salesforce. When you schedule meetings or tasks in Salesforce, the reminders you set in Google Calendar will automatically appear in Salesforce. It's a powerful way to keep everything on track and make sure you never miss an important meeting or follow-up. One thing a lot of users overlook is customization. Salesforce lets you customize how your Google Calendar events appear within the platform. If you have a specific team or a project you're working on, you can filter and sort your calendar events based on that information. This makes it super easy to stay organized. And lastly, remember that integrating Salesforce with Google Calendar isn't just about syncing events, it's about improving your productivity. With everything in one place, you'll be able to work faster and smarter. Your Google Calendar events, Salesforce tasks, and meetings will all flow together seamlessly. Don't forget, by checking the first link in the description, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial of Salesforce, so you can try all of this out for yourself. You won't want to miss this. That's it for today. Syncing Salesforce with Google Calendar doesn't have to be complicated, and once you've done it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.